Okay, welcome back, and now we're going to do another example, and this is going to be industrial technology. So it says the bottom and the inside walls of the cylindrical tank, shown on the board, must be lined with sheet copper. How many square feet of sheet copper are needed? Round to the nearest whole number. All right. Okay, so this is a cylindrical tank, right? So a cylindrical tank has a top and a bottom, right? This is going to be closed, right? So what we're going to do is we need the total surface area, okay? So let's start with that. We need the total surface area, okay? So total surface area, remember, total surface area is the area, the lateral surface area plus the area of the bases, which in this case is, they're the same, right? So it's just going to be the area of one base doubled. So there's our general formula. So if you remember this, then you're really home free, because all you have to do is remember that, okay, lateral surface area is what? It's the circumference, because we're dealing with circles. It's circumference times height plus 2 times the area. Now we plug in what? What is the formula for circumference of a circle? That's 2 pi r, and then of course times h, plus 2, now what's the area of a circle? Pi r squared. So we put pi, oops, hold on. Yeah, that's right. Just want to make sure. Pi r. Oh, hold on. Squared. Okay, that's all you need to know. So if you can get to this, if you can just think about this and get to this and get to this, boom, that's it. That's all you have to do. So you don't have to memorize this. All you have to do is memorize this and realize that we've got circles. Okay? So yes, you are going to have to memorize some of those previous other formulas, but you don't have to memorize all these formulas if you just think about it. Okay? Okay. So now, let's go to what we have. Now, this gives us the diameter. We have radius. So half the diameter, right? So I'm going to put in 2 pi. R is 2.5. The height is 12 feet. So now I'm going to do 2 pi, and then it's going to be 2.5 quantity squared. Now I've got everything I need. I can just plug and chug, right? So guess what? This is going to be 60 pi, right? 2 times 2.5 is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. So I get 60 pi plus, this is going to be 6.25. 6.25 times 2 is 12.5. So I get 12.5 pi. So my exact answer, right, mathematically speaking, my exact answer is going to be 72.5 pi. But again, we're talking about application, right? So we're not going to try to figure out what pi amount of copper is needed, right? Copper sheet. Is that what it is? Copper, yeah. So 72.5 pi, and this is going to be feet squared, so square feet of copper, sheet copper. Okay, so now, okay, that's it. So we want to round to the nearest foot, right? So now we want to round to the nearest foot. So let's put that in our calculator. So multiply that times 72.5 times pi, and we get an approximate value of 455.5. We get approximately 455.5, and they went to the nearest square foot, so that's going to be approximately 456 square feet of sheet copper that will be needed. And that's it. Boom. Have a great day.